嚟到華沙嘅第二日啦，今日咧我就完全冇計劃，又唔係完全真係冇計劃嘅。今日我全日計劃咧就係見呢一位朋友。
Hey, good to see you. Good to see you. So what are we doing?
To a bar or go somewhere indoors?
呢一個咧係我哋第一次見面，我哋咧喺網上面認識，大約傾咗4個月左右。咁發現大家都算係幾啱傾啦，咁嚟到波蘭嘅時候咧，就一齊出嚟見下面。
Warsaw is big, huh?
Too big for its own sake.
Really?
Yeah, and they build it without brain.
What?
I live in an area
Yeah.
that is fairly decent.
Yeah.
But if you go like 5-stop tram farther, there's nothing, just blocks.
Uh-huh.
There's no shop, no school, no nothing. Just
Yeah.
blocks and one row, one way.
What?
And there's always traffic. There go just a bus.
Okay.
One bus.
Yeah.
And there lives like 2,000 people.
Mm-hmm.
And everyone goes to this one bus.
Yeah.
Amazing.
And honestly, for like this to be the center, it's a bit underwhelming.
It's just,
Yeah, it's just like that, you know? Really.
yeah.
We are tourists, so we want to know where we can go if we want to something to visit and to eat.
I've been living here my whole university time.
Yeah? But you don't know anywhere here.
I know, but I don't think it's that
Yeah.
worth seeing.
我哋咧就去咗尋日嗰個公園坐低吹水，傾啲乜嘢咧就唔關你事嘅。
I don't care, I can be vegetarian now. And I was like,
What? No, that's crazy.
I was like, no.
Like, no.
Leave me alone.
No, that's crazy. No, yeah. Go ahead, eat the licorice. I mean, it's a gift for you. If you really want to try like the like hard ones, like go for the full black ones. Yeah. Go for the full black ones.
It's weird.
You like it? You like it? No, I mean like the taste. You like licorice? No, that's crazy. That's crazy.
I'm crazy.
No, like not many people like licorice.
No, it's actually nice.
It's nice. You like it. The aftertaste. You like the aftertaste.
Yeah.
No, that's crazy. No, that's crazy.
It's sliding.
Oh my god.
Like it's sliding.
Before
Oh, I
go.
hate it when it's warm.
You hate it when it's warm? You like the cold?
I hate summer.
對我嚟講咧，呢一個就係去旅遊嘅核心。去認識下新朋友啊，食下當地嘅食物，同埋認識到佢哋嘅文化。我記得我喺2022年咧都有類同嘅情況。當喺日本疫情依然咧係封鎖緊嘅時候咧，我有機會去日本做展覽，我就揾翻一個14年都冇見過嘅朋友。當我喺涉谷露天嘅公園飲嘢傾偈，係我成個工作旅遊最難忘嘅一刻。喺嗰刻咧，我知道我想去旅遊最想做嘅嘢咧，唔係拜訪啲乜嘢旅遊景點，而係認識到更多唔同志同道合嘅朋友啦，分享下啲唔同嘅文化同埋生活史，經歷下啲嘅小冒險。呢一個係旅遊帶俾我最有趣嘅地方。之後咧，佢就帶我去咗一間貓貓 cafe。事後咧問翻其他本地嘅人咧，都發現原來呢一間嘅貓 cafe 咧係幾出名嘅。
Okay, grab the chopsticks. And then, so I don't know how to teach it when someone else is holding it. So this finger here, the thumb, is to stabilize. So to stabilize, you only like hold them in between, so you don't really do anything with the thumb. It's just to like put them in place, okay? Just stable them, and then the two fingers here, index finger and the middle finger, like holds the first chopsticks, and then you move the top like that.
It's sliding. Yeah.
Yeah, you move the top just like that to use the chopsticks.
Yeah, look at my hand.
What?
It's trembling.
No, because you don't use the muscle that often, so it's tiring at first.
And this one is sliding up.
Yeah,
Finger,
because I don't know, like, okay, let me hold it because I feel like there's something wrong with like how you hold it.
with me.
Yeah, like this.
like you see how the thumb is actually like lean, like this chopstick is actually just like leaning here with like the ring finger and this part. Yeah. So and then you can just like use this. So the thumb is to put that in place, and then those two don't really hold it. You just like slot it in. 我諗喺呢一刻咧，我都講得幾清楚㗎啦。去華沙見到呢一個朋友，其實真係值回票價嘅，唔需要用全日嘅時間咧去做啲遊客會做嘅嘢，反而就係珍惜去見到每一個朋友嘅機會，因為冇人知道咧下一次係會幾時見面。